Amazon Prime Day deals on 12 and 48 volt batteries. I put out a poll asking you guys what you were most interested in buying, and literally all three categories were neck and neck. So I guess I have to do a video finding you deals in all the categories. And there are some sweet deals happening right now in the battery world. By the way, there are a lot of brands and stuff that are paying influencers to promote their Prime Day sales, which is totally fine. But I just want to make you aware that this particular video is 100% non-sponsored. It's just me trying to help you guys find the best deals out there right now. Let's start with WattCycle, because I think they actually have some of the best deals happening right now. You may want to avoid their 12 volt batteries, because they're having some issues with those at the moment with, a build discrepancy. However, they have some of the best 48 volt stuff that I've been testing lately. For example, this whole home power backup kit, only $4,000, but yet it gets better if you stack my code TRICK. It's going to knock off 8 to 10% on this price. And the awesome thing is this battery right here single-handedly can support their 12,000 watt inverter. So you can actually hurry and get a system, very large system. This is a 12,000 watt inverter with 24,000 watts of solar input capability. It's kind of insane. So get this paired with the battery and start going off grid and start saving all this money on your power bill. And then, as time goes on, add more battery storage, because I'm pretty sure you'll want more than just 16 kilowatt hours. But the awesome thing is this battery can support this inverter single-handedly and gets you up and going ASAP. The other thing I absolutely love from WattCycle is their server rack batteries. No one has a screen like this on their server rack batteries. Anyway, once again, you can knock 8 to 10% off this price with my coupon code. So if you need server rack batteries, give this some consideration. And then let's not forget the WattLink adapter cable for your EcoFlow power stations. If you have an EcoFlow power station that uses the XT150 connector, this cable is a must-have. And I've got tons of videos about how to use this and leverage it to its max potential, so be sure and check those out. Humsienk has some great battery deals as well. And pro tip, once you add something to the cart, you automatically get an additional 6% knocked off. I'm not entirely sure why they don't just show you the price to begin with, but anyway, if I add this 314 amp hour floor standing battery to my cart, you'll see right here that it automatically applies a coupon code. And so instead of $2,299, you end up being $2,162. I've tested their 48 volt, 314 amp hour battery. It is very nice. It's got some really nice safety features. Capacity was good. And factoring in that extra 6%, it's a really good price for such a battery. If you don't mind not having a screen, their server rack battery is a pretty good deal. It's a little less expensive than the WattCycle. Personally, I'd probably spend the little extra money on the WattCycle, especially considering the fact that my coupon code is going to knock more money off the WattCycle unit. It's going to be 8 to 10% off, and you'll get 6% off on this price. So anyway, it's kind of very close by the time you get all that factored in, and I think I'd rather have WattCycle's awesome screen than Humsienk's no screen battery. But nonetheless, it is an option and is on sale for a really good price. I have tested their 12 volt batteries, and they have always pulled full capacity and done really, really good. So this could certainly be a strong consideration for anyone that needs a 12 volt battery. Let's move on to EcoWorthy here. This one I really want to draw your attention to. They don't necessarily have any coupon codes. So this Cubix 148 volt server rack battery without the screen is one of the few batteries on the market that has UL certification. And at $799, that is a really good price for a UL certified battery. And if you've never purchased from EcoWorthy before, there is a coupon code, which is NEW10, that will save you $10 off your first order. Not tons, but every $10 helps. I just released, and then I had to change something incorrect on the video, so it's coming out tomorrow. But I just tested this Cubix 100 Pro battery again, with low temperature charging. It actually will charge below freezing because it has special electrolyte in its battery cells, which can be really tremendous if you live in a cold area and you need to be able to charge when it's below freezing, and you don't necessarily want all of your charge just getting burned up by battery heaters to heat the battery. The reduced charging current that goes into this battery when it's below freezing is enough usually to get the battery cells warmed up, and then eventually it can go, at full speed. But at least you're dumping some power into the battery instead of just burning it up in battery heaters. So be excited for that video to drop again tomorrow. This server rack battery right here is the safest built battery I've ever seen on the channel. I'll leave a link to my full review video down in the description so you can check that out and see what I'm talking about. But this is a good price. Usually it's over $1,000, but I can save you even more. If you come to their Amazon listing, you can see that it's a little cheaper, $900 even, and I have a coupon code that will stack on top of it. It's Cubics100 Pro. So if you want a really premium server rack battery that is really good at charging below freezing, look no further than this Cubics100 Pro. Vatrer has some decent sales happening right now. They have these embedded codes that you just have to be sure and copy and apply at checkout. I've been very pleased with their server rack battery. It's been a very solid performer. I'm also going to leave a link to their Amazon page because you can see they have even better prices there right now. And they're very active on Amazon. So definitely want to check out Vatrer. Then just an honorable mention, especially when it comes to 12-volt batteries. Power Queen really makes some nice 12-volt batteries. I've enjoyed their products quite a bit. The other thing that makes Power Queen unique is this battery right here. It's a 30 amp hour, 51.2 volt. They're calling it a golf cart battery. But not very many people make a 51.2 volt battery in this form factor, and it can be really handy for a bunch of different applications. So if you need the higher voltage but a smaller, lighter footprint, give this battery some serious consideration. Please comment below and tell me what you guys end up picking up, because I would love to know what resonated the most with you, what was most helpful, and then I can be better prepared the next time big sales come around. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on your way out. I hope you guys can find some epic gear for a sweet price. We'll catch y'all next time.